Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on October 19, 2023. 3 stars Sudoku. Column B. We have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cells. 6 can confirm here. Then 7 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 4, 3. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column H, second row, third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Sixth grade and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column E, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Or column E and 5th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. Column G, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 8, 7. 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. 2nd grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, we can confirm 8 also here. 2nd grade and 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column of 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 1. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row and the 8th row, we have pair numbers 8 and 5. So 8 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H, 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then column H, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 5. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column I and 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 3rd row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 9. 9th row, we have 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. Confirm later. 7th grade and 4th row and 3rd row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is unconfirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 3. Fourth row and third row we give 2 or first grid and third grid we give 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column F we give 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here, then we can confirm 3 also here. Second grid, column F, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. First grid, column D, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then the column H and third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Third row we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column D we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then first grid and second row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column B we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.